In today's video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot why clients can't book at a certain date and time in your Dubsado scheduler. If you're new here, I'm Emma. I'm a certified Dubsado specialist, and I help service-based business owners streamline their Dubsado setup so that they can save time and their business feels easier to manage. So let's get started. Let's say that you have a client who's telling you they're trying to book at a certain date and time, and they just can't find that availability. So to troubleshoot this, you need to look at your Dubsado scheduler settings. When you create a scheduler in Dubsado, you're basically putting some limits in there, dictating things like availability, buffers, rolling day windows, things like that, that help determine when clients can or cannot book time with you. So if someone is saying they're trying to book and they cannot find that time available, you need to look at certain things. And that's what we're going to do here. If this person is trying to book a scheduler link that's on your website, you're going to go into templates and look for that scheduler and do what I'm about to do inside of the scheduler template. If the scheduler has been applied to their project and it's been sent to them, they just haven't booked yet, you're going to do it this way. In the project, you're going to come to appointments, and since they haven't confirmed yet, it would be under pending. And you're just going to click here, not open, you're just going to click on the scheduler to open the settings. So this is what you need to look at. And like I said, if they're using a scheduler link that's on your website, you're going to do the same thing, but at the template level, okay? So here you just need to look at certain things. Is your rolling day window correct? Did you, for instance, put a fixed date range that ended in the past and now it's not showing any availability? Maybe that's the issue. Or your rolling day window is set to 0 like it is here. Should it be 30 days? Things like that. So that's what you're going to look at first. And then next, so let's say that person wanted to book with me on Tuesday. I don't have Tuesdays set as available in this scheduler, okay? So just keep these things in mind. So let's say you wanted to give them availability. Let's say it was Tuesday the 27th. You just want to do that day. You're going to do 9 a.m. to, let's say, 2 p.m. Add timed only January 27th. So that only changes it for that day. So that works well if it's this type of scheduler. It's been applied to a project and you just want to make this exception for this one person one time. If you wanted to change it for everyone, you would change it here for this client, but then go and change it in your template as well. So any future booking, anytime you send the scheduler out in the future, those same changes would apply. Make sure that you click save every time you make these changes. And let's see what else it could be. So down here, sometimes people leave this as available and then they get double booked. That's one thing to keep in mind. But for this specific scenario, you also need to look at things like prevent bookings. So are they trying to book today for tomorrow and your prevent booking number is just too high and isn't allowing that? You could change this to 0 to allow them to book right now or 2 hours from now. Did you set buffers that are too aggressive? I've seen this before where clients put 60-minute buffers at either end. Usually that's in-person events that they need to put buffers for travel, things like that, but they've set one that's too aggressive, and that's not allowing people to book. Did you set a number of maximum appointments a day? That shouldn't really have anything in it if you don't want to set a maximum. So just delete that. That's really it for these types of things. So also look at your external calendar, the one that's connected to Dubsado. Maybe you have an event in there that's not allowing someone to book. Sometimes I do time blocking in my personal calendar, and if I've accidentally set it as busy, then someone can't book on top of that. So if I'm just using my calendar for time blocking just to remind myself to do certain things, but I have flexibility around those tasks, I put them in my calendar, but I set them as available so people can book discovery calls or other types of calls on top of that. So again, these are the types of things you're going to look at. If this was something that you wanted to do at a template level, you want to make these changes for everyone moving forward, make sure to apply those same changes to the scheduler template over here. So you would come to the same scheduler and make those same changes here. And again, make sure to save at the bottom. That's really it. That's how you troubleshoot scheduling issues inside of Dubsado. And if you're new to Dubsado, I have a Dubsado 101 checklist to help you go through all of the things that you need to look at, different settings, different forms to set up to start using Dubsado with your clients. For each of the steps, I have a video to help guide you through that step. you can go to my website and download it for free. And if you want help setting up Dubsado so that your client process is automated from start to finish, feel free to book a discovery call using the link in my website so that we can talk about what it's like to work together. That's it, and I'll see you next time.